In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your hair color in Attack on Titan Evolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly customize your character and change the hair color. So all that you have to do is join Attack on Titan Evolution, and from the home screen, choose Customize. So when you go over to the Customize window, as the name suggests, you will be able to change various different aspects about your character, including the actual hair model, the face, and so on. But if you go over to primary hair and secondary hair, and you click on those, what is going to happen is that you will zoom into your hair, and you will be able to change the color. So as you can see, there is this big color wheel, and you can choose a color from here. Once you choose a specific color, and you choose the saturation, you will be able to click on Set Color, and you will be able to do the same with the secondary hair. If you would like to have different hair colors, you can customize them individually, but for the most part, this is all you have to do. You can click on them later to customize, and I'm going to do two different colors to showcase how this looks, but this is all you have to do. It is super simple to set up, and you will be able to customize other things. So afterwards, you can customize the eyes, the mouth, the height, width, skin, and then the actual appearance on what you are wearing. So the shirts, pants, and shoes. Once you have these all set up, just go ahead and click finish. You will have to row a family as well, so I'm gonna do one row just so I can finish this and show you how it looks in game, but this is all you have to do. It is going to work for any platform where you are able to play Roblox and join Attack on Titan Evolution, and then you can go over to the hub and you will be able to see the hair color that you chose once you load in. If you want to customize this later, you just have to join the experience again and go over to the customization menu. So as soon as you load in, you will be able to see the hair colors that you set, and you can change them at any point. I hope I was able to help you on how to change your hair color in Attack on Titan Evolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.